This training aims to equip relevant stakeholders and media practitioners with necessary knowledge about statelessness to address the plight of stateless individuals in the country. The training was also centered on identifying groups at risk of statelessness in the country, such as orphans and foundlings, with officials focused on building gaps in nationality laws and policies that leave some people without recognition of nationality in the state. In his presentation during the two-day session, Yusuf Angom, Protection Associate of the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees and Multi-Country Officer, highlighted the consequences such as no identity, state protection, access to service, and limited enjoyment of fundamental human rights.
Work together to see how to prevent statelessness and eradicate it in the Gambia. Create a synergy to empower communities to acquire by themselves legal documents which prove their nationality. The convergence of your various roles and expertise will help provide the necessary tool to prevent statelessness at the community level. The action plan that we built, we all be involved in eradicating statelessness in Gambia through our job, function, and portfolio.
Awa Manneh, Commissioner for Refugees, and Professor Lamin Sidibe, lead consultant, both emphasized the importance of raising awareness on statelessness to intensify advocacy for stateless people in the country.
We gathered here as representatives of our respective institutions and as advocates for justice, equality, and human dignity. Our role is to shine light on the realities faced by stateless individuals, to understand the complexities of the issues, and to work collaboratively to find a better solution. As national actors, you are at the forefront of this battle.
Lack of, amendment of the nationality law. The nationality law, our 1917 law and the 1965 Act are both discriminatory. Finally, you find that this individual or person who is affected is not safeguarded. Exclusion is a problem, such as injustice also, harm, other disadvantages. He's faced with all these problems to share with you.
For participants like Choma Oko Oduma, the training is a great opportunity to understand the basics of statelessness and the well-being of stateless individuals, as well as how to tackle statelessness globally.
I learned about how different individuals can actually become stateless while spending their entire life in a country without documents, and how it affects them. Now we've learned about statelessness, we have to still go back to the communities to talk to them about being stateless. Some of them don't even know that they are stateless. So we go back to them to talk to them about being stateless, and then the different institutions that they can approach in order to know what would be done to them or what would be done about them to help them get better access to justice while living in the Gambia.
The two-day training forms part of the biannual plan of action of the Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS, which aims to eradicate statelessness by the end of 2024. Awa Manneh, GRTS News.